Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the Leon's camera in Resident Evil Requiem. While playing as Leon, you'll be forced by the default into the third-person camera. You can change it once upon booting up the game for the first time, and also in the options, once you are past that point, let's say. To do so, it's quite simple honestly. First open the options menu and go to the camera section. Here you can change Leon's camera between third and first person, as you can see on the picture on the right. Of course, you can further customize those by opening the window right here to change the Y and X axis camera speed in normal gameplay. The same goes for camera acceleration and deceleration, and also while aiming. Those same settings apply. You can change them between the value of 0 and 20. Of course, choose whatever value you prefer. You can also customize it separately between third person and first person. As you can see, the categories of settings are the same. The values are simply different and are kept separate between the perspectives. Of course, once you customize it to your liking, press the back button and press the back button once again. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.